The greatest show on Earth. Endless possibilities. Adult Disneyland. But first, we've got to actually get there. You've heard of Oshkosh. You've probably never heard of Oshkosh, Wisconsin, but you've definitely heard of EAA AirVenture. The Experimental Aircraft Association hosts the biggest air show ever, every single year in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, and we would do nothing but disappoint ourselves if we didn't hop in this airplane and fly about 5 hours north to get into EAA AirVenture. Let's go. Really humid today, kind of foggy up there. I just have to wait this out. Welcome back. And we did wait it out because my counterpart Simon launched in his twin Comanche exactly 2 hours before I could, because he has an instrument rating and I do not. If there's no more motivation to be had to get this instrument rating, that morning was it. We flew north to Madison, Indiana. It was a quick stop. We got some fuel, toured the FBO, talked to a really nice FBO manager, had the dreaded hot start issues where I tried 4 times to start my airplane, and then launched off towards Chicago, where we got to take one of the most scenic tours of the downtown skyline in Chicago. Take a look. I should probably explain what's happening here. We are flying under the Class Bravo for Chicago to try to avoid the approaches and sometimes departures that are happening over the lake. So what you do is you hop down low, below 2,000 feet, to avoid the outer shell of that Class Bravo. It lets you take a really great look at the coastline. You've got to look out for all the VFR traffic because it's a busy corridor, especially during Oshkosh, but the views are worth every moment that you spend down low bumping through the turbulence. And yes, it really was bumpy. The first time I actually did this run was with a friend of mine, Ted. You met him on one of the videos before about saving general aviation in Savannah. Remember that one? Click up here in the corner. I think I'll take this path every time I go to Oshkosh from here on out. That part of the trip was really exciting, really scenic. I enjoyed every second of it. But eventually we arrived here. Yep, it's kind of windy, so hopefully you can hear me, but tent is in place, it's staked down, airplane is tied down and ratchet strapped down. Happen to be next to 2 other Bonanzas, which is always really fun. And yeah, this is where we will live tonight and into tomorrow. All right, catch you guys later. Huh? Got it done. We are here at Fond du Lac, and now we get to take the shuttle to Oshkosh. Got a familiar airplane right over there. There is, you probably can't see it because of the depth of field, but it's a twin Comanche that beat me here by like 3 hours because I launched late because I'm dragging my feet on getting an instrument rating. But we're here, we're tied down, the tent is in place. Let's see what Fond du Lac has to offer. Okay, so we have made it. We're tied down. We got the tent out onto the airplane. Now we're gonna hop into a shuttle that will actually take us up to Oshkosh. I'm gonna meet up with some cool people and just get as much packed in today before the night show as I can. It's really gusty here. The landing was pretty smooth and easy, but getting down here on the ground is super gusty. So I'm really hoping that it, it doesn't cancel the night show tonight. But yeah, this is kind of cool. I mean, this is easy. This is really easy, low stress, and I can leave at any time. Even if there's air shows going on up at Oshkosh up the road, I could depart here on my own time. So just waiting on the shuttle. I'll be up there in a little bit, but I can imagine me making this my regular routine for getting to Oshkosh. I've flown into Oshkosh before. I've camped at Oshkosh twice. Camping here, let's see how it goes. And if I don't like it, next year we'll do better. Yes, folks, I forgot my video equipment in Savannah. But you know what? That doesn't stop me from using the iPhone until the battery dies. So hopefully you'll enjoy what we got to show you today. I'm about to go try to get my ticket to get inside. So see you in a little bit. Oh, sweet. I love that's clever how they just got the wing right there. We'll have to come back and check these out tomorrow. Well, I did go back. So here's an idea of what's coming next. You did give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, right? Oh, and notifications help too, so you can see what's coming tomorrow. See you later.